If you are using Pycharm, you can install the libraries through Python interpreter. File, Settings, under Project, Python interpreter. Using pip command, we can install the packages. Let's install CX Oracle. Install package. Package is getting installed. Installation is successful. Let's install PsychoPG2 for connecting Postgres database. Let's install PIODBC for connecting SQL Server. Let us also install Boto3 to interact with AWS S3 bucket. Installation completed. Likewise, we can install all the necessary packages.